So first things first, we have to pick small goals and slay it. Like Ramzan is not a productivity contest, okay? Yes, I have 10,000 tasks that I need to accomplish today. No, it is not going to happen. So you need to pick small goals, 1 2 goals, and if you're consistent about it, good for you. Like this Ramadan, I have planned that I had memorized surahs when I was in my 8th to 10th grade. I had memorized surahs, and now I've completely forgotten them. So my goal this Ramadan is to revise those surahs. And yes, like if I am able to revise all the surahs that I had memorized, then Alhamdulillah, my goal is accomplished. So, in a similar way, you also can have small goals, and that goal can be anything. Like it can be like, okay, I am going to memorize a dua, I am going to, perform my prayer with understanding as to what I'm praying for. Or it can be ki, yes, I am going to reduce my social media, the time that I waste on social media. It can be anything. So pick a small goal and slay it. And with that, your girl is getting super late to office as usual, and we are going to blame on traffic. That yeah, I left my home early, but why are you late, Afifa? Because of the traffic. Already. And also during Ramzan, just try, okay? Like say if you're traveling to work or something like that, what do we usually do? We listen to music, right? Just replace music with some heart-touching bayans or beautiful nasheeds. I've attached some link to really beautiful nasheeds in the description. Don't forget to check it out. Guys, I'm stuck in so much traffic. I literally got a call from office saying that I need to present a demo. But यार मुझे लगा कि आज ट्रैफिक नहीं होगी, but इतनी ट्रैफिक है. And I hope that you guys can hear me. Alhamdulillah, I reached office, you guys. लैपटॉप में ना बिना ईयरफोन के ऑडियो नहीं चलता है ब्रो, लिटरली.
बस हो गया.
Guys, this is my backbone in office. We're
working
on the same project.
And we are working on the same project, and we are being like चक्की, like हमारी चक्की पीसी जा रही है.
Exactly.
In the same project.
Literally. हम दोनों डेवलपर्स बन चुके हैं. QA से डेवलपर्स.
QA से डेवलपर. People find it very good progress, but we don't know.
Good progress, but there is no progress. Down.
Emotional downfall.
What do we do every day? We give reassurance to each other.
We can do it. That's fine.
We can do it. Yeah. God.
कुछ
नहीं हो रहा है.
मैं इसके भरोसे या अल्लाह के भरोसे.
That's what I told her the other day. कि ब्रो तो मेरे भरोसे है ना, मैं अल्लाह के भरोसे हूँ. Just want to do an outfit check. I'm back from office, you guys. Yes. And I have so much so much work to do. I don't know how I'm going to do my work. But yes, I wanted to share one thing. Every single day that I go to office, I have a headache. Till the time I'm back home, I have the worst headache. You know, even though no matter how much ever I keep myself hydrated, how much ever I'm taking a nutritious meal, I am always having the most worst headache. But see the barakat of Ramzan, the entire day, it is so sunny. Like the weather, it is so hot, it is so sunny. But I am not feeling one bit thirsty. Like I am not thirsty at all. I am not hungry, and yes, I actually feel so energetic and so lightweight. I don't have headache. So this is the barakat of this month. Like it's magic. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. And also to everybody who is watching this, see, Ramzan is a month, matlab, you know, forgive people. Literally forgive people. Like, you know what, don't forgive people because of them ki chalo they are sorry for what they did to you, or they have changed themselves. No, because it's not going to happen. Sometimes some people must have wronged you, they're not going to be sorry about it, they're never going to come and apologize to you, or sometimes even their apology is not going to be genuine. Okay, but you know why you should forgive? For your own heart. Because a heart is something, it is so pure. Okay, it is this divine thing. It emits light, you know, and whenever we keep these bad things for somebody, then we are harming nobody but ourselves. So no matter who has done wrong to you, just forgive everybody. Just clean your heart, forgive everybody. Ramzan is a month of forgiveness, you guys. Don't keep anything against anybody. Say to Allah, you know, tell to Allah that Allah, I was so hurt by this person. This that rant it out completely. Literally, मतलब आप लोग मुसल्ला बिछाओ और फिर ना जितना रैंट करना कि उसने ये किया, उसने वो किया, उसने ये किया, उसने वो किया. या अल्लाह, but this month I am going to forgive everybody, Ya Allah. And even I don't have the power to cleanse my heart, but you do. So please, Ya Allah, give me that ability to cleanse my heart, because I want to have a pure heart. I just want to tell you guys that forgive anybody who has done wrong to you. Just cleanse your heart. Like just cut people some slack कि हाँ भाई ठीक है, तुमने मेरे साथ गलत किया, पर कोई बात नहीं, all good. I know that you wronged me. It's okay. Just cut people some slack. Just cleanse your heart. And that's it. So stay tuned. तो अब मैं memorize करने वाली हूँ. Like, you guys remember the goal that I have set for this Ramadan. So yes, I'm going to go back and rememorize the surahs. And yeah, I try to complete it before Maghrib, क्योंकि after Maghrib I have to go to pray Tarawih. So I try to complete before Maghrib. And yes, 45 minutes, 1 hour, inshallah, every day is what I have dedicated for this. I'm heading for Tarawih all, and I wanted to do a cute outfit check. I'm back home, you guys. I am so tired, but yes, if you are a part of my life, you will get free entertainment. You know what I did? You know what your girl did? Every day I open my fast at 6:29. So as usual, even today I opened it at 6:29, and then usually I get a notification from my Aza app कि it's time for Maghrib, it's time, like I get it exactly. And मैं सोच रही हूँ कि यार मुझे नोटिफिकेशन क्यों नहीं आई है, अब तक तो आ जानी चाहिए. मुझे नोटिफिकेशन इसलिए नहीं आई क्योंकि इफ्तार का टाइम 6:29 नहीं, it was 6:29 till yesterday, but now it is 6:30. And मैंने क्या किया, मैंने 1 मिनट पहले रोज़ा खोल दिया. मैं क्या करूँ अल्लाह मियाँ, मैं क्या करूँ? So yes, this is what I did today. क्योंकि ऐसे हो ही नहीं सकता कि मतलब मेरा दिन गुजर रहा है और मैंने कुछ ऊट पटांग हर तक, वाह, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता है कि मतलब दिन गुजरा है और मैंने कुछ ऊट पटांग हरकत ना की हो. इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. इट्स लाइक it's not gonna happen. Also मेरा बस मन कर रहा है कि यार मैं मतलब सो जाऊँ, बट इतने I have still so much work to do. I can't just sleep. Okay guys, so now I have taken enough rest. अब मैं जा रही हूँ वर्कआउट करने के लिए, क्योंकि I have seen this thing कि people who work out they glow differently. Like there is just something about them, and I want that something factor. So yes, it is very important to move your body. ठीक है, work out. Like it's fine if you cannot go to the gym. Okay, the workout that I do, it's like a 30-minute full body workout. I'll put the link in the description box. Okay, so it's very simple actually. Initially it's going to be a little bit difficult, but then after that you just get used to it. And if you cannot do a proper workout, then at least go for a walk for 30 minutes. But whatever it is, in a day, even if you're fasting or not fasting, move your body. Like assign some time for your body, because it's your responsibility to take care of your body. I just finished my workout. So Curly Pop, do you see this one? I'm telling you, this is the post-workout glow. So keep working on yourself, keep yourself hydrated, keep glowing. And that's it for today's vlog. I am dead tired. I'm pretty sure it's written all over my face and my eyes are speaking wonders. Freshen up and head to bed. So guys, I hope you guys liked my vlog. A lot of effort went in to make this vlog. So please don't forget to like, subscribe and